Welcome to macscut. What you're looking at here is a post office box door from roughly the 1960s, give or take. It's got these letters and all of the codes go in between it, so it's an AB, a BC, a CD, so on and so forth. So some of the doors come with these covers on it, but if it's already off, and this one was, you can just leave it off. It makes it easier to find the code, just two flatheads. So anyways, what you do, find the code, is you spin this clockwise, like 2-3 times. And then from the back side, see this notch right here? Okay, you want to turn that until it lines up with this latch. Right about there. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. You turn it over. Okay, well, it's must be between those two. Make sure. Let's turn it again. That looks like it. No more. Yeah, right there. I know you can't really see it, but then you go back the other way, which is counterclockwise. You go all the way around once, and then you bring it back to where now that one is lined up with the one underneath it. See, those two are lined up right here, both those two. And then, what's that one? That's an AB. Then you turn this one back this way. Now all three of them are lined up. See, they're all in the line here. And when you turn this, it opens. I have these in 3 different sizes. This one is 3 1/8 for the rough opening by 4 1/2. The actual door measure, the actual frame measures 3 5/8 by 5. This style, or the medium size, the rough opening is 5 by 5 5/8. But the frame is 5 1/2 by 6 1/4. Boy, this is a heavy piece of brass. This one is, the rough opening is 10 1/8 by 5 5/8. The actual frame measures 11 by 6 1/4.